ये ज़मीं मेरी मेरा आसमां बड़ा खूबसूरत है जहाँ। ये ज़मीं मेरी मेरा आसमां बड़ा खूबसूरत है जहाँ। मेरी ज़िंदगी परवाज़ है वो फ़िज़ा मेरी मैं उड़ूँ जहाँ। मेरी ज़िंदगी परवाज़।
Pratham, IIT Bombay's first student satellite project. Yes, it's a satellite, and building a satellite is a big thing. And building a satellite as students in this institute is an even bigger thing. So, this was like a dream come true project for all of us. Over the 3 years, we have done through a lot of design phases. We started off with the requirements capture phase, which we finished in May last year, and with the preliminary design phase, which we finished in December of last year. And right now we are making the qualification model. What have we learned over these stages? One of the most important things that we have learned is the technological background, is the technological skills that we have picked up. The other things that we have picked up is also the soft skills that are required to get this project finished. Like, although you are building a satellite, you have to take it all the way to ISRO, get it fabricated, get it tested, and also bring it back, get it integrated in IIT Bombay, then again take it back to ISRO. So you realize there's so much of traveling, so much of logistics involved. These are things that are not taught in classrooms, but these are things that really make you into a real engineer. And we are really thankful to have been involved with such an awesome project, and we really want to make sure that it's launched by the end of this year and we can say IIT Bombay is in space.
मेरी ज़िंदगी परवाज़ है वो फ़िज़ा मेरी मैं उड़ूँ जहाँ।
We here at IIT Abhoj, we are a group of ex-IIT students. We have amazing ideas, and on the unmanned aircraft side, we provide completely autonomous unmanned aerial systems. One of our products named Netra, it can fly by itself. It's the same aircraft that you saw in 3 Idiots. That aircraft is one of the most intelligent flying aircrafts in the world, and it goes about flying by itself, collects video information and transmits it back to the home location for purpose of surveillance.
So we as a group have been working together since I guess our second years, and I think most of us share the same passion of making new and interesting things.
At IIT, having invested a lot of time in developing interesting technologies, in developing interesting concepts, participating in a lot of competitions, learning a lot by not just rote learning but by actually implementing things hands-on. For us as a team, it was the next natural step to test these technologies and these ideas that we guys had out there in the market, and that's how we guys started the company.
फिर धूप बांध के पाँव में हम उड़े हैं ठंडी हवाओं में। ज़मीन मेरी मेरा आसमां बड़ा खूबसूरत है जहाँ।
We're working on the design and development of a national level solar thermal testing facility. This facility is going to be the first of its kind in India, where solar thermal technology is used to produce electricity. Is going to implement a combination of different solar collector technologies. This has never been done in any plant in the world. So it's a really complex control philosophy involved, and a lot of thinking and innovative ideas that we have to get into. How it can be implemented in India, maximum production and minimum cost for solar technology. So that's the aim of this project.
कभी वक्त उठा के सरों पे हम और आग लेके परों पे हम। कभी वक्त उठा के सरों पे हम और आग लेके परों पे हम।
During my experience as the Masters of Science students, I was exposed to the geotechnical centrifuge facility that we have at the IIT Bombay. I had the best of the best facilities that time, and eventually that influenced me or kind of drove me towards the direction of research. Now I want to contribute more to the society.
I'm doing my research in game theory. One thing to say in research in IIT, I doubt that where else you can get a guide who reads your blog every day and comment. I mean, that's something different level of student-teacher interaction we face here.
The good thing over here is there's a lot of exposure through seminars where you get to meet faculty not just from IIT but from different universities in the US as well as people in the industry. We have people with different backgrounds working together, so that's IIT is I think one of those places where you get to see that kind of mixed culture as well as mixed background.
The facilities that IIT provides library and subscription to lots of journals.
कभी छानी खाली खला कहीं हम उड़े जहाँ पे हवा नहीं.
Do you want to build a Formula 1 car for yourself? And fascinated each one of us to build a Formula car for ourselves. And what was really cool was that the college authorities even allowed us to race our car inside campus if we managed to successfully build it. This project gave us a chance to apply the classroom knowledge that we learned in lectures and see how it actually works at every stage of the project, right from the research, the design, the manufacturing, the testing, marketing and finances. When our car was ready, we saw it being unveiled by Narayan Karthikeyan, India's first F1 driver, at a glittering ceremony that happened on campus. Our car was judged by the top automotive experts from companies like Ford, Chrysler, etc. and they gave us both positive and negative feedback. Finally, IIT Bombay Racing was named as the best rookie team at the Formula ISA event that was held in 2008 in Michigan.
ये ज़मीं मेरी मेरा आसमां बड़ा खूबसूरत है जहाँ.
We all played with remote controlled cars. I was quite fascinated by them and marveled at how they worked. But when I came to IIT, along with my batchmates, we all actually made those toy cars and raced them in various competitions in Mumbai. We decided to make this car again. We decided that the car would be controlled not by buttons but by hand gestures. More interesting was discovering the various complexities involved in making even these simple things work.
We wanted to develop an expression system in our model organism, which is Aspergillus niger. You can see over here, this is our model organism. And the good research facility that is available at IIT Bombay, at the end of the 5 year, I was able to file one patent.
I was lucky enough to get a project which was a collaborative work between chemistry and biology. And IIT Bombay generally gives you, especially undergraduates, ample opportunities to work. And faculty are very happy to take undergraduates to work in their labs.
Recently I attended a conference that held in San Diego, that is American Society for Cell Biology. So there I got an opportunity to meet many big people and my work was very appreciated.
This is what research life at IIT Bombay has taught me. Research is an art. Not everyone can be a natural born great artist. But we can aspire to be connoisseurs first, and then with passion, patience and perseverance, create our own art of research. It's all about synergy.
मेरी जिंदगी परवाज़ है, मेरी जिंदगी परवाज़ है, वो फिज़ा मेरी मैं उड़ूं जहाँ. ये ज़मीं मेरी मेरा आसमां बड़ा खूबसूरत है जहाँ. ये ज़मीं